Hello everybody and welcome back to another Roblox Studio video. Today I will be showing you exactly how to make a plugin like this one right here. Like this one right here, where you can have this, like where you could put it anywhere. The one we're making, like the Hold Tool plugin, where you can put it over anywhere you want. You can drag it, like this, right, like that. Okay, so we're going to be discussing how to do that in this video. So please enjoy and let's get right to it. First of all, I'd like to say, sadly, I am not old enough to do deaf forms because stupid Roblox, I'm just kidding, Roblox is good, won't let you do it unless you're over 13. And like me right here, I'm not really like above 13 yet. Almost, but no. So we're actually going to be answering someone's questions. I was looking through how to do it, and then this guy right here, he said, why won't it work? He has this, he has this, he has it. And he made it. So yay. So for right now, we're going to be copying the code because this is what we need. So we're going to copy this code right here. I'll provide the link, and then we're going to go to Roblox Studio. First things first, you're going to insert a script into server script service. You're going to call this script whatever you want. So I'm just going to say how to make a plugin. And just like that, we have our script. First things first, you're going to go to Roblox. Then you're going to go to the Roblox developer roblox.help. And then you're going to go down to here. So I'm actually kind of following this right here. You're going to go down here and copy this right here. We're not going to do that much copy and pasting in this series, but this is kind of what we need. So first, we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to name it. So this right here is going to be what the bottom is. So I'm just going to say by test. And then this one right here is going to be the top one. So I'm just going to say test plugin. And then this one right here is going to be when you hover over it. So I'm just going to say this is a hover. And just like that, we have our you can delete this. And we have our first thing. First thing first, you're going to want to make your widget. So that's when we go back here, right here, and then copy this code. And then we paste it into here. So we can change this to make it test plugin. And you're going to want to do the same you're going to want to copy and do it the same for just like that. Do not copy this part. This is when this guy's gotten wrong, and I'll show you why he got it wrong, or she, I don't know. So yep, so we're going to go and see why he got it wrong. So first things first, you're going to need to make the plugin. So you're going to right click, and then you're going to go save as local plugin. And then this is going to be the name of your script right here. So you're going to press save. And then right up here, you have test plugin. So when you open it, it should open a widget. That's what they're called. And you can put it anywhere. So yeah, like you can put it anywhere. And it's just blank right now. And that's what that guy was worried about. No. So we're going to make it pretty much like what you can do with this. But it's not going to be that thick. I'm joking. Okay. First, you're going to want to make the text. So we have all this right here. Now we're going to get to our own code. So the reason this guy got it wrong is because he had this as a child. You can't have anything inside the script, not even a module. So a lot of people are like, can't I put the source in a button? They say script.source, which what that does, it's kind of how I think Lua Learning does it. When you type the code, it will put script.source. You can put anything in it. So you can say and then when you open it, like it's an instance.new script where you create a script, then that is how you do it. So So we're not going to use that though. That's how some people do it. So we're going to say local image is equal to instance.new image label. And then image.image is equal to, actually let's grab the ID real quick. Come on, load. I also got a new mouse from this amazing plugin. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna click on this real quick. Then you're gonna go in, and what you're gonna do to make your GUI, you're first going to insert a screen GUI, then you're gonna go insert what you want to do. So let's say this is gonna be what I'm gonna do. This is about the size of the widget. So we're just gonna change it right here. And yep, so we're gonna copy that and then put in quotes like that. So now this won't work because we have to put it in a folder. You don't have to put it in a folder, but this is what I recommend. Instance.new is just saying create, like instance.new part game.workspace. That would just be saying it's creating a part in the workspace. So right now we're creating a folder because you remember we can't have anything, so we have to create it all through the script. And that was kind of hard because on my other plugin I actually had to create every GUI from scratch. So imagine plugins like this one, they have to create every single GUI from the script. And trust me, that's not easy. So we're gonna make the folder's parent the interface, because interface is the widget. So now we can just make the image parent is equal to folder. And there we go, we have it. I'm just kidding, because this is not at all why we have it. Because when you get it, it's gonna start like this. And we can't read that. So what we're gonna, wait, is that upside down? No, I don't know. What we're gonna do is we're gonna need to take the side of it. So we're gonna copy the we're gonna copy the position. Then we're gonna go image.position is equal to, whenever you're using GUIs, you do UDM to not new. Dang, we're already on 7 minutes. So I'm gonna just put that in there. And then the size, we're gonna copy it. And the reason I have this GUI open over here is just so we can like create a test. So we're actually going to put this in server storage, and if you make your plugin public, no one's going to see this. They're only going to see they're not even going to see the script. They're only going to see what your plugin does. Let's put that back here, and then this should work. So we're going to go first we're going to take this out of storage GUI. Right click, save as local plugin, and then how to make a plugin, save. Yes, it already exists. Press yes, because this will overwrite it, which means your new script will be that old one. So you're going to click yes, and then let's see if this works. Because it doesn't, because it probably needs some time to load. So we have, actually let me try this without the folder. Because the plugin I made didn't actually have the folder, so it's not that hard, so. Oh, it's probably this one. Wait, hold on, I'm confused. We might just need to, why are there two? Hold on. Let's just name this potato, so we know which one is the right one. So I'm just gonna save this local plugin, and yeah, see, bottom is potato, and this is the hover. Good. So this is the plugin we're going to be using. This is not how to do it. So, oh, you removed the brackets, I'm sorry. Yeah, the bracket, yeah. The brackets you just need to take out. Because the brackets, A, look bad, and B, I don't think they work. So let's try that again. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. So to make the scaling, which honestly, we're probably going to need to move the position over. So let's just make this 1. That might work. So we'll move. Trying to save the image of the plugin. We'll open this, and there we go. There we go. Just like that. So I don't know how to fill in the whole screen. You're going to need to do some complex measurement for that. So right now, we're going to add a text label, which we do the exact same thing. Instance.new text label. And text.text is equal to yay. Actually, potato. That's my favorite word. Then we're going to do... let's actually put it back in the folder. See if the folder works. Let's just create this and then go back. Because I know the folder does work, because I did that in my last plugin. So let's just go back. So see, the folder does work. So let's do text.parent is equal to folder. So now we can all store it instead of just saying interface. Like if you want to delete it, then you'll either click the X, or you can, if you want to delete it through a button, then you do that. So I'll just get the size right now. So that is why, that is why when you make this, you actually create, not a bool, wait, what was that? Oh, a string. You're actually going to create it not through the script, and then you do it like this. So you do all the adjustments you want. So text.position is equal to, actually put this in the position that your whatever it's called is in. So this is the position in which your GUI thing is going to be in. So we're going to put that right there. So now we can just copy that position. Bop, 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 bop. And then we'll do the size of it. Copy equal to, remove bracket, 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 and potato. So that is the size, and that is everything. So now that would, let me just do this text up. So what that is going to do is just make it not visible. So if we actually put it into perspective, it will do this. But I don't like that, so I'm going to put text scaled on because that looks a lot better. There we go. So now let's try to put this there. Save as local plugin. Save. Yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make your widget for the plugin. It's gonna if you want to scale it out to like make it actually fit, that will take about an hour. Like if you're really dedicated, you can start scaling it and doing all that to make it take. It'll take probably an hour just to get the scaling and measurements right. So that is part 1 on how to make a plugin. So remember that. Hover, potato. Yep. So that is exactly how to make a plugin. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this series. Yes, I just said part 1. And have fun making your plugins. And part 2 probably gonna come out later. So adios.